Hey everyone! Today I will show you how to make a Discord server on mobile. First, open the Discord app on your phone. On the left-hand navigation panel, scroll all the way down. At the very bottom, you'll see a plus icon. Tap on that. It will then say create your server. Go ahead and tap on create my own. After that, Discord will ask why you're creating the server. You can choose whether it's for you, for your friends, or for a club or community. Select the option that best fits your purpose. Next, you'll have the option to upload a profile picture or logo of your server. If you already have one, you can upload it at this step. Then enter your server name and tap Create Server. Once your server has been created, you'll have the option to invite people directly from your Discord. You can also tap the Share Link button to send an invite link to your phone contacts. When you're done inviting people, press Done. After that, tap the back arrow in the top left-hand corner, then tap on your server name. This is where you can customize your server settings. You can tap Create Category to organize your channel. For example, you could create a category called Games and tap Create. The category will now appear in your server. To create a channel, tap your server name again and select Create Channel. Enter a channel name such as Welcome, choose a channel type. You can also decide whether to make it private or keep it open. Then tap Create. If you want to create a channel under a specific category, press and hold the category name and tap Create Channel. This helps everything organize. Finally, to set up roles, tap your server name, go to Settings, and scroll down to Roles. Here you can manage permissions. You can also tap Create Role to add roles like Admin or Moderator and assign them to members. This is how to make a Discord server on mobile, and if you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.